Hello lovely people, today I'm going to do this makeup tutorial as usual, and this is dedicated especially for our LGBT community. This is na-inspired ako, may nakita akong art and ginaya ko lang and I gave it a little twist. I put butterfly kasi butterfly symbolizes them and so as the rainbow, hence rainbow there. But then it's more like, for our community which is normally black and white, so we just want to put a bit of color on it and hopefully ma-inspire kayo and magustuhan nyo. And okay, I'll start the tutorial now. First, I'm gonna apply my makeup base, and then using a white color face painting, I'm gonna draw an outline to the area where I want to draw my rainbow. And then I'm gonna divide that area into 7 to make my rainbow. Alright, so once it's all done, I'm gonna start working on my butterfly. I'm gonna start with this yellow color. Okay, next I'm gonna use the blue color to extend the body of the butterfly. After the blue color, what I'm gonna do is, using a clean brush, I'm gonna blend the yellow and blue colors together to make a green color. And for the last color, I'm gonna use a dark blue. Once the butterfly shape is done, I'm gonna go back and use my white base painting and apply it around the butterfly, and then later on I'm gonna use another brush to spread it all over my face. Using this foundation brush, I'm gonna spread it on my face. I tried using a sponge, but I find brush works better for me, so I'll stick to this one. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna start working on my rainbow. I'm gonna use the red base painting first, and then the orange, and then the pink one. After the pink one is the purple, and then after the purple is blue, after blue is green, and then the last one is the yellow to complete the 7 colors. There, my rainbow is complete. Now using a black base painting, I'm gonna draw an eyebrows on the white area of my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow to apply on my left eyes only, and then I'm gonna mix it with this silver glittery eyeshadow, blend it together. Okay, now I'm gonna apply eyeliner on both my eyes. And then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and then after I'm gonna use Maybelline mascara, my favorite. Next, I'm gonna outline the rainbow and the butterfly with a black color face painting. Ta-da! Next, I'm gonna draw the antennas. And there you go. It looks like a butterfly now, and you can see the rainbow as well. Next, using a white color face painting, I'm just gonna add dots on my butterfly to give it more definition. Next, I'm gonna put my false lashes on both eyes. Now I'm gonna use the same black eyeshadow to contour my cheeks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black lipstick. I'm gonna use one of these gem and put it in between the butterfly and the rainbow. And then I'm gonna put glitters on the butterfly and on the rainbow as well. I'll put some on my eyelids and on my nose bridge as well. And voila! It's done! Okay, so this is it. Sana nagustuhan nyo, especially yung LGBT community. This is all for you. Pwede nyo rin siyang spread dito sa neck kung gusto nyo. Pero ako, tinatamad na ako. So, okay na yan. I know, it looks much better if I fill up my neck as well. So, yeah. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!